Let's see India के best boarding schools बोल रहा था मैं.
You'll remember these years when you grow up.
In this video, I'm taking you to some of the most iconic boarding schools in the heart of Nainital. From the legendary gates of Sherwood College,
Sam Manekshaw, Amitabh Bachchan, they went to this school. The name of the school is Sherwood.
यार ऐसे स्कूल में ना एक दिन अलादीन को भेजो. अलादीन रैपर को ना एक दिन ऐसे स्कूल में भेजो, मजा आ जाएगा.
the proud grounds
आधा
of
हॉस्टल थस्सा.
St. Joseph's,
Behind me is one of the most beautiful schools in India.
to the All Saints Girls' School.
This is the best girls' school in India.
These
All
are
I'm saying is if it's a all girls school, don't call it All Saints. You know, okay, fuck, it's Women's Day. Never
just
mind.
schools.
Never mind.
These are
Never
institutions
mind.
and they have shaped generations.
These are hallowed corridors.
Yeah.
History has walked in these corridors.
I feel like boarding schools in the hill stations have a altogether different vibe.
12 बज के बोल दो. Yeah.
Fresh air, cool, chilly, nice views. I wish I went to a boarding school over here.
We will find out what makes these campuses so magical and why they become a second home.
यार not gonna lie, मुझे boarding schools हमेशा से बहुत अजीब लगे हैं. I feel like, you know, it's so weird to keep your child away from your home. उसकी पूरी परवरिश तुम्हारे घर से बाहर हो रही है. अजीब नहीं लगता तुमको? अजीब नहीं लगता तुमको? मुझे लगता है कि बहुत डिफरेंस होता होगा यार, जो बच्चे बोर्डिंग स्कूल्स में पढ़ते हैं वर्सेस जो बच्चे घर पे पढ़ते हैं. बट एट द सेम टाइम बोर्डिंग स्कूल्स में ना तुम्हारे पास कांस्टेंट एक्सपोजर रहता है बाकी अपनी एज के लोगों से. तो मे बी इट्स नॉट दैट बिग ऑफ अ डिफरेंस. आई डोंट नो ब्रो, बट
A lifelong badge of pride for their ex-students. Let's go inside the gates of the boarding schools of Nainital.
Welcome to the Indian Hogwarts. Behind me is one of the most beautiful schools in India. It's St. Joseph's School, Nainital. Remember the movie Koi Mil Gaya with Hrithik Roshan? That's the school. Nasruddin Shah went to this school. And today we're going to go explore the school. It's visually one of the most
Hello.
stunning schools in Nainital, maybe in all of India. This school has its own boat club, a film history, and a view like this. St. Joseph's Boys School. Wow. The blue house is called Gandhi House. The red house is called Tagore House. Yellow house is Nehru House. Green is Pant House. So beautiful. They are in fog, marching in fog over there. It's so lovely. तुम्हें ठंडी नहीं लग रही है?
नहीं, हमें तो आदत है, हम तो borders है ना इसलिए.
Oh wow, look at these borders. I feel going to boarding school builds character. What do you think? I mean, look at these students. They're marching away without jackets, without sweaters. They're doing their job, you know. Whereas kids in Mumbai and Delhi and the international schools and all are so pampered.
यार ये बात तो है यार, इनकी लाइफस्टाइल बहुत डिसिप्लिन्ड होती है यार इन बच्चों की, क्योंकि और कोई ऑप्शन ही नहीं इनके पास. ये नहीं बोल सकते कि 30 मिनट बाद आता हूँ मम्मी, नहीं हो सकता ये सब. सो आई वंडर हाउ इट शेप्स देयर थिंकिंग. आई डोंट नो इफ इट्स गुड और नॉट.
By their parents and by their teachers. Like, are you cold, beta? Did you fall, beta? Look here, look at them. This character. It's pouring rain and they're still marching. What's
Yes.
happening?
They are still marching. This is the momentum of discipline in our school.
इतनी अंग्रेजी तो नहीं बोल पाता मैं अपने स्कूल में.
Wow. Are you reading the comics? Oh, the crossword. Smart kids. So cute.
यार कितना क्यूट बच्चा है यार, कितना क्यूट बच्चा है यार सच में.
This is the library. A lot of students said they love their library and this is their favorite room. Is it? Why do students love this?
Because the
फीस कंपेयर करो यार, महंगी होगी फीस तो यार.
library has all types of books
Oh yeah?
and magazines.
महीने का 1 लाख होगा शायद.
This is the junior dormitory. It's from class 3 to 5.
भाई चिंटू बहुत स्मार्ट है यार. I like this चिंटू bro. I like this kid man. I would love to talk to him. He seems smarter than me. मुझे लगता है ये बंदा मुझे चीज़ें सिखा सकता है. इतना स्मार्ट लग रहा है मेरे को ये.
Oh wow. Let me see how comfortable
बहुत क्यूट है यार ये.
Nice. You like sleep with you? Do masti in the night before going to bed? What kind of masti?
Talking.
Talking.
वहाँ हाथ में नहीं दिख रहा कौन सी मस्ती करते हैं ये लोग.
This is the middle dormitory.
Okay.
It consists of class 6 to 8. This dormitory also consists of a TV.
Oh, you have a TV over here.
Yes.
So you watch TV at night?
Yes.
Oh.
कितना खुश है वो.
Where are you taking me now?
Now I'm taking you the best thing of the school. These things are all boring.
So cute.
Yes.
So cute.
That's the Kenchi Dham Mandir.
Oh,
Wow.
that's the Kenchi Dham Mandir. We were there. How many sports do you have in your
We
school?
have a lot of sports at this
What do you have?
We have football, cricket, tennis, squash, skating. We also have a gym with dumbbells and weights and a badminton court, including a TT court.
Oh my God.
अरे ये बच्चे को पूरा एक एक वो क्या बोलते हैं उसको, व्हाट्स द वर्ड फॉर इट, चप्पा चप्पा पता है भाई अपने स्कूल का.
That's a lot of sports.
Small
Photo shoot point.
Photo shoot point looks like hanging point to me.
So today I am in All Saints College, a very, very famous school in Nainital. So how old is this school?
This is the 157th year.
157
157th year, holy shit.
years old. Wow. Can you imagine? 157 years ago, there were students running around just like you.
यार एक पता है, एक मैं चीज़ शेयर करूँ ऑनेस्टली, मैंने ना एक मुझे कभी कभी सोच के सैड लगता है, पता है वो क्या है, एक चीज़ मुझे सोच के सैड
Can
लगता
you
है
imagine?
कि मेरा नाम ना कभी ऐसे लिखा नहीं गया कहीं पे. आई मीन सीओ में मुझे ऑफर मिल रहा था बट मैंने रिजेक्ट कर दिया. बट मुझे ना अच्छा लगता अगर मेरा नाम कहीं पे लिखा होता किसी स्कूल में कि राज रतन वॉज इन दिस स्कूल. यू नो मुझे काफ़ी अच्छी लगती है ये चीज़. आई विश माई नेम वॉज देयर ब्रो. यू नो इट्स काइंड ऑफ सैड दैट माई नेम वॉज नॉट देयर. क्यों रिजेक्ट किया वो तो लोअर मैंने बताया वो स्ट्रीम पे. आई जस्ट विश कि काश लिखा होता यार. एआई कर ले. नहीं एआई क्या कर ले यार, ये तो फिजिकली एक्चुअल लिखे होने की बात बता रहा हूँ मैं. कि वो तुम अगर उस बिल्डिंग में जाओ तो उसमें एक ऐसे वुडन प्लैंक ऐसा लगा हो दीवार पे और उस पर मेरा नाम लिखा हो. यू नो
157 years ago, there were students running around just like you.
She has made a name for herself in the entertainment industry. A dynamic entertainer. Miss Minhas has moved beyond acting over the years.
Thank you.
Aw.
It's so nice to be here. These are the best years of your life, and I'm looking at you with envy because I'm like, wow, I wish I, had
Hey, जो भी शहनाज है, I'm watching her for the first time. She has such a good energy though. I really appreciate it. I like this kind of content, bro. First of all, this is not copied. Second of all, she's doing a great job. And third, इसकी energy and the way she speaks is very nice. I like it. You know, I just think the background music is a little too loud, but you know, and I would like it if the video was a little slow paced. But barring all that, it's very nice. I'm very impressed by the video.
2 years in a boarding school. So I'm with the head girl of the school now. What is special about this school? Why do people rave about this all-girls school? Why should people come to Nainital to go to your school?
Because we offer opportunities.
Yeah?
We offer sports, academics, and then MUN debate.
Wait, is that Apple?
We offer opportunities.
Max?
Yeah?
We offer sports, academics, and then
Oh no, that's HP.
MUN debates, elocutions.
अरे हम तो केंद्र विद्यालय के बच्चे हैं यार, हमारे समय तो सीआरटी के डब्बे पड़े होते थे. सीआरटी वाले डब्बे भाई, जिनको चालू होने में 10 मिनट लगता था.
Thing you say, we have it here.
Really? But all schools have it. So what's special about this?
It's All Saints.
Really?
Yeah.
You're very proud of it.
We're very proud. This is the best girls' school in India.
So but why boarding school? Why should people come to boarding school?
I think boarding school makes you very independent, and especially the discipline that you learn in a boarding school, you can't really learn in a day school that
डिसिप्लिन तो ठीक है, इंडिपेंडेंट तो बिल्कुल नहीं.
much. And the best part, you can always stay with your friends, so it's like a sleepover every day.
Yeah.
How the fuck are they able to speak English so fluently? That's crazy, bro. आप केंद्र विद्यालय में घुस जाओ, एक बच्चे से पोएम ना बोली जाए उसने जो इंग्लिश में सीखी है रट्टा मार के, वो ना बोली जाए उससे भाई. What the fuck? And these kids sound so mature for their age, bro. All of them sound so mature as if they are PR trained. It's very weird to me. I mean, it's good for these kids. They're very smart. They must be very smart, bhai. These kids must be very smart.
I'm so jealous.
No, she's not anxious, bro. You cannot fake it. Genuinely, ये बच्चे इतने smart हैं कि they just casually are able to do this.
And this is the junior school. Good morning, miss.
ये स्टूडेंट को काउंसिल वाले में इसलिए, हाँ ये हो सकता है कि इतने बड़े बोर्डिंग स्कूल्स में तो स्टूडेंट काउंसिल भी होगा जिनकी मीटिंग्स होती रहती होगी अडल्ट्स के साथ, तो वो इंटिमिडेटेड महसूस नहीं करते. That could be true. कि ये बच्चे constantly they are in touch with elders dealing with stuff, so they are not intimidated by all this.
Where are you from?
Oh.
So this is class 6 dormitory. It's so cute. As you can
Okay, that is actually cute.
see on every bed there's a little teddy bear. How
बड़ी
adorable.
बड़ी टीवी लगा दी लेकिन उन्होंने, है ना, बड़ी बड़ी टीवी लगा दी काफी.
Good night. If I was in class 6 in All Saints, this is how I would sleep. Bye. 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 So what time do you wake up?
We wake up at 5:30.
5:30. Oh my god.
5:30. Yo, I feel ashamed, bro.
And sleep?
We sleep at 10 o'clock.
Okay, so you get 12 hours.
यहाँ पे टीवी बड़ी है.
But do you sleep or do you do masti?
No, we sleep because we are pretty tired. the whole
Really?
day.
I love it, but it's so cold. You guys have to give me body heat. How do you sleep in the cold? There are no heaters here.
Oh, we're strong enough.
Yeah.
very
Strong
cozy.
enough.
It's very cozy.
Ask them to get you a
So this
heater,
is the
bro.
games captain. She's taller than me. I wanted to ask you, do you miss home?
Well, it's been like 10 years I've been living here, so this has become a second home for me, and also we get so many leaves.
What's your favorite thing about All Saints School?
The environment of the school.
यार लेकिन अगर तुम सोच के देखो तो अगर तुम 12 साल बच्चों के साथ जी रहे हो 24 घंटे, तो जब तुम ग्रेजुएट होते हो तो isn't it like family members going away, you know, 10 साल. But yeah, but isn't it like family at that point, bro? 10 साल तुमने घर छोड़ के इनके साथ बिताया, तो that's like family, bro. That's so crazy.
Makes us more happy, and we usually stay like a family. Even if you feel homesick, all the friends and the seniors and the teachers make you feel comfortable.
Really?
Oh.
I like the games and the morning sports.
You miss mom and dad?
I'm a day scholar.
You're a day scholar. So there
Oh.
are day scholars as well.
That's cute.
Nice. There's no bullying in the school?
No.
Wow, lucky. Yeah, I had so much bullying in my school. So hands in the back. They're all lining up for lunch. There's a lot of discipline in the school, I can see. How many meals do you have in a day? 4 meals. What are the meals?
Breakfast, lunch, tea, and
Breakfast, lunch, tea, and dinner. Wow, okay.
They serve tea.
Nice. I'm also going for lunch with my hands in back.
Like the kids, they're having their lunch right now.
Yeah.
And in the dining hall, we sit housewives. Yeah.
I'm very hungry. I want to eat with the kids. Come on, let's go. Thank you.
Yo, the curry looks good, bro. But what the fuck are those grapes, though? But the curry looks good. It looks home cooked. It's very nice.
Do you steal the tiffins from the day scholars?
Yes.
Yeah. So I heard that these kids are very naughty. They steal the tiffins from the day scholars. So this is their computer lab, and they are learning coding over here. Am I right? Wow, smart kids. So this is the biology lab. They have all kinds of things here. Wait, this is a human fetus they have.
What? Is this even legal? Is this even legal? Is this actually legal? I don't think it's legal. Is it legal? It is? Really? Maybe. Fake नहीं है, real है. It's legal? Okay.
This school has so much to offer. You know, nowadays,
Damn, look at that. Look at that. Look at that.
parents are saying,
Yo, look at that, bro. That's that snake. Look at that snake. Look at that snake, bro.
sending their kids to international schools and all, but look at these boarding schools. I mean, they're incredible. What an experience. And there's a skeleton over there too. Apparently, they call her Diana. Hi, Diana.
डायना को लिपस्टिक लगा दी सालों ने. अच्छा नहीं, it's a girl school, my bad.
Welcome to All Saints School.
Oh, music teacher is so happy. Bro, I was speaking to someone from our school a few days ago, and I was just forced to recollect my relationship with my music teachers. You know, यार मैं तुम्हें वुमेन्स डे ना, आज मैं तुम्हें एक चीज़ बताता हूँ genuinely भाई. When I was in school, भाई, I don't think I would have survived school if it wasn't for the music teachers, भाई. I had 2 music teachers जो female थी दोनों, and भाई उन्होंने ना मुझे इतना सपोर्ट करा है, तुम्हें आइडिया नहीं है भाई. कई बार तो उन्होंने बहुत दे हैड टू यू नो इन्वॉल्व देमसेल्व्स इन कंट्रोवर्सीज एंड व्हाट नॉट जस्ट टू टेक माय साइड. जैसे मेरा अगर मैथ्स टीचर कंप्लेन कर रहा है कि राज कभी क्लास नहीं लगाता, ये नहीं लगाता, तो म्यूजिक टीचर शी literally had to go and argue with in the staff room कि क्लास नहीं लगाते हो तो क्या हो गया, नंबर तो आ जाते हैं उसके एंड ये वो, और आप उसको ऐसे डाटा मत करिए, ये मत करिए। मतलब इट्स लाइक भाई किसी ने मुझे इतना सपोर्ट नहीं करा जितना मुझे टीचर ने सपोर्ट करा, बहुत सपोर्ट करा है। वन ऑफ देम, आई विल टेक हर नेम वाज लीना दिनेश। शी वाज एक्सेप्शनली अमेजिंग। इट्स काइंड ऑफ शेम कि मैं आई एम नॉट कनेक्टेड विद हर एनी मोर। द लास्ट टाइम आई स्पोक टू हर वाज 2015, नॉट इवन 2015, इट मस्ट हैव बीन 2012 or 13 I guess. मतलब it's been 12-13 years since I've talked to her, but you know, she's in my well wishes, bro. She supported me so much, तो मैं आइडिया नहीं है। When I was in 5th grade, तो कॉम्पिटिशन में ना 5th क्लास तक के बच्चे अलाउड नहीं होते थे। I was a pianist and I was so good at 5th grade. She bent the rules to allow me. I was the first guy who used to go to competitions with 2 keyboards. एक मेरी पीठ पे होता था, एक मेरे हाथ पे होता था, and people used to identify me as that क्योंकि मेरी हाइट इतनी छोटी थी और मेरे कीबोर्ड इतने बड़े थे। तो मेरे पूरे, so imagine like you know, मैं पता है कॉम्पिटिशन में कैसे घूमता था। मैं इतना छोटा सा हूँ, मेरी हाइट बहुत छोटी थी उस वक्त, और मेरे पीठ पे इतना बड़ा कीबोर्ड लगा होता था और मेरे हाथ पे इतना बड़ा कीबोर्ड रखा होता था। 2 कीबोर्ड बजाता था मैं। आई वॉज द फर्स्ट गाय टू प्ले 2 कीबोर्ड्स, ठीक है। एंड आई वॉज इन 5th grade, 5वीं क्लास का बच्चा था मैं, करीब 9 साल 10 साल का ब्रो। एंड जब भी मैं बजाता था भाई, आई एम नॉट किडिंग, जब भी मैं कीबोर्ड बजाता था लोग कैमरा निकाल के रिकॉर्ड करने लगते थे। इट्स लाइक व्हाट द फक इज दिस गाय डूइंग। भाई मैंने ऐसी हरकतें करी है ना भाई, क्योंकि इट वाज सो, भाई वहाँ पे जितने कीबोर्डर्स आते थे, कितने कीबोर्डिस्ट आते थे, सब 9th क्लास 10th क्लास टाइप के होते थे। मैं 5th क्लास में था एंड व्हेनेवर आई वाज प्लेइंग दे वर लाइक वाओ दिस गाय इज प्लेइंग 2 कीबोर्ड्स एट वंस, क्रेजी। So yeah, and but this would never be possible without the music teachers, bro. And I was very possessive, and even I would go as far as to say I was very stupid. I was genuinely very stupid. क्योंकि मैं बहुत possessive था यार, मेरे को रोना वोना निकल जाता था कोई मेरे कीबोर्ड को छूता भी था तो भी। तो एक तरीके से पता है ये चीज़ अच्छी तो नहीं है, बट एक तरीके से पता है मेरे, क्योंकि मैंने उन टीचर्स को, मैं रोता धोता बहुत था जब भी मेरे कीबोर्ड को भी छू देता था। तो एक जो ख़राब चीज़ उन्होंने करी है मेरे को फेवर करने के लिए, वो ये है कि दे डिड नॉट अलाउ एनीबडी टू टच कीबोर्ड्स। बोथ ऑफ देम 2 टीचर्स थे, दे वर देयर इन माई लाइफ, बोथ ऑफ देम, बट इन हाइंडसाइड आई फील लाइक दैट वाज बैड। बट ऐसा नहीं है कि उनको कीबोर्ड बजाने नहीं देते थे, उनको हारमोनियम फिर भी बजाने देते थे, कीबोर्ड नहीं बजाने देते थे। बट उसके पीछे एक रीज़न ये भी था कि अगर आप कीबोर्ड को ज़्यादा छेड़ोगे तो ख़राब भी हो सकता है, इसीलिए मैंने उनको बोला था मत बजाने दो। बट या आई थिंक आई शुडंट हैव डन दैट। लेकिन हाँ, but they supported me a lot, bro. Supported me a lot. You know, I would be nothing without them.
This is an ex-All Saints student. Her name is Pashu, and she is so proud of being from this school. Why are you so proud of this?
Shadaz, we call ourselves all Ciites.
All Ciites.
Yeah.
Okay.
And I'm very, very proud of this school. It's made me what I am.
Yeah.
Then I made such lovely friends in the school. I love everything about the school.
When you grow up, what do you want to be?
Not quite sure yet, but I would love to pursue a career in law. IAS officer.
Oh,
Since I love playing golf, I want to become a golfer.
golfer. Do you have golf in the school?
Yes.
Wow, they have all kinds of sports in the school. Okay.
I want to be an author.
An author. Wow. You know, I wrote one book.
An army officer.
Army officer. Wow, I love the dreams over here. So cute. I feel like boarding schools in the hill stations have a altogether different vibe. Firstly, it's chilly. They have beautiful views, fresh air to breathe. It's just such a lovely feeling. Oh my God. This is my India. This school is so old. It's 156 years old. Sam
Damn, that's so clean.
Manekshaw, Bachchan, Kabir Bedi, Dilip Tahil, Ram Kapoor, they all have one thing in common. They went to this school. The name of the school is Sherwood. Welcome to Sherwood, guys. This school is very famous for dramatics. So every year, the best actor's name comes on this board. And you can see Amitabh Bachchan, Kabir Bedi, Dilip Tahil. All these names are on this board over here. Wow, this is the chapel.
This is the wall that is the remembrance to all the Sherwoodians who made the supreme sacrifice in the world wars.
Oh, good afternoon, cute boys.
That's a nice uniform, man. Sherwood is so good for cinema students. Damn.
I really miss my own school assembly. Good afternoon. Good afternoon. Good afternoon. Good afternoon. You like being in boarding school?
Yes.
Is this school the best school in India?
Yes.
You have breakfast also here, the same hall, and then lunch and dinner. So you like being in boarding school?
Yes,
Yeah. Where are you from? Is everyone from different parts of India? Where are you from?
I'm from
Agra?
Tamil Nadu.
Tamil Nadu.
I'm from Delhi.
Delhi. So people are from all over India coming to this school. That's so
But
nice.
India has English teacher vibes, yes sir.
You make friends from all over India. They were telling me that if you want to learn music, you can learn music. If you want to learn cooking, you can learn cooking. You can learn any kind of sport. I think all kids should go to a boarding school for at least 1 or 2 years of their life to become independent. I came across this box. It's so cute, worry box. Whatever you're worried about, you write and you put it into the box.
Oh.
And then it goes away. I like this quote.
Oh, that's so cute, bro. That is genuinely so nice. That's very nice.
Stop pushing so hard on the door looking for happiness. It opens inward.
Wow.
Good lessons I'm learning
Wow, that is also very nice.
in the school. This is the principal of Sherwood. So how long have you been the principal?
Oh, I've been here for 21 years.
21 years.
Yeah.
Tell me a little bit more about Sherwood, the discipline. Like, why should students come to this school?
We are 156 years old,
Yeah.
an institution which has withstood the test of time, and everything here has a history. This is Amitabh Bachchan in 2008 when he had come here,
Oh, wow.
and this is a vantage point in our field area. You know, whenever he would feel low, he would run here and stand there for hours.
Oh,
These are hallowed corridors.
yeah.
History has walked in these corridors.
Wow. I'm so honored.
This is our links and archives.
Okay.
Please come. This is a very rare photograph where we have Sam Manekshaw taking the God of Order. The MiG-21 you saw first on the pedestal in the field. We are the first non-military organization to have MiG-21.
Bro, that's a huge honor. That is a huge honor. इनके पास एक actual Indian aircraft है भाई. ये ऐसे वैसे नहीं दिया जाता लोगों को भाई. They must be very, 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 very. मतलब the institution must be very privileged to be able to get this.
This is when Amitabh had come, his whole family. So all had come, and this is during that time.
Yes?
Are you OS?
OS. What is OS?
What's your good name?
No, I'm not, unfortunately. I wish I was. So your parents also came to the school? So a lot of Sherwoodians, their parents and their grandparents and their relatives all have come to the same school. How many years ago were you students of Sherwood?
1991. We left in
यार कितने अजीब दुनिया है ना. You know, there are some people जो इतने अच्छे स्कूल्स में जाते हैं कि उनकी ये सारी आने वाली पीढ़ियां भी उस स्कूल में जाती हैं. And then there are some parents जैसे then there are some people जो ऐसे स्कूल्स में जाते हैं कि वो their whole life purpose is to make sure कि उनके बच्चे ऐसे स्कूल्स में ना जाए. You know what I'm trying to say, bro? Come on, bro. Shit.
1990.
Wow. And this was your classroom?
Yeah, this was my class 12.
One sentence, why did you love Sherwood so much? Why are you so proud of Sherwood?
We can't explain it. It's just a feeling. I mean, there is no way you can put it into words. It's just there.
This is one of the few hill station pools that actually has a swimming pool. And the crazy thing is, it was made by Amitabh Bachchan's batch. Like, they actually dug up and made the swimming pool at that
Yo.
time.
Damn.
So this is our playing field. It's called the big field. And
Bro, पहाड़ों में इनका तुम वो देख रहे हो? पहाड़ों में है ये. What the fuck, bro? What?
we have 3 seasons here.
What?
Yeah, cricket season, football
Yo.
season, and then comes the hockey season.
Imagine this place in the winter with the snowfall. So nice to go to a school like this in the
Lemon
hills,
yeah,
a
bro.
boarding school.
Damn.
If I had to live another life, I would go to a boarding school at least for 2-3 years. Quiet, beautiful, nice, these hill stations to grow up in, no? And where do our kids grow up in? Noise, traffic, honk.
Yeah, bro.